These were all the vinyl records that were delivered to me from August to December. Watch as I open them. Hi, my name is Coco, and I clearly have a problem. When I first started vinyl record collecting, I would open the vinyl and I would play it immediately to make sure that it wasn't warped or that there wasn't a scratch, and to make sure everything inside of it was there. Fast forward about a year and a half later, I began ordering a lot of vinyl records, and they started coming and coming, and I was just a little bit busy and didn't have the time to open them, which is what led to this very big stack behind me. I'm participating in No Spend January, and I also said that I would not purchase any more vinyl if I did not open all the current vinyl that I have right now. So without further ado, let's get to work. Okay, I'm sitting now if you couldn't tell, because I have more than I thought I was going to have, so, yes. Let me count how many I have so I can give you, an idea of how stupid I am. 1, 17, 18. And this is only what I purchased online. I just, for anyone that's curious, a lot of my vinyl record shopping does happen online. A lot of it is the Taylor Swift store. I also shop at Graffiti Record Store, Urban Outfitters, Vertigo Vinyl, rarely, and the Facebook market group that I'm in. So I have been able to find a lot of my ISOs this year. I've also been able to variant collect this year. Maybe I'll show those off. I guess I'll just start from the biggest to the smallest. Since I have so many boxes to open, I think I'm just gonna open the box and show you what the album is and the artist, and I'm just gonna guess what it is based off of the shipping label affixed to the box. I assume this is gonna be all 4 of the Guts vinyl record variants with the secret track on each one, as well as the collector's box. Gosh, I'm finally opening this. The one thing about the Olivia ones is they had the same cover, which I was like, oh yeah. Okay, this is looking very nice. Looks like, it looks like I bought 4 of the same thing. I remember I purchased one and I said, okay, I'm not a variant collector, I'm just gonna get one. And then I was like, there's a collectible box, so I have no choice but to get it. So here's the collectible box. That is not done, I have to do it. And here is 3 of 4 of the variants with the secret tracks. They all have the same cover and they all have the same background. I'm noticing that there is no hype sticker, so there's no way to differentiate what color I have. Okay, so this says UMG Stores. So it has to be, I want to say this might be Taylor Swift. Okay, so this is indeed the 1989 Taylor's version. It comes with confetti. I forgot it comes with confetti. So we have the Crystal Skies Blue. Here's the hype sticker. I haven't opened this, oh my gosh. So we have Crystal Skies Blue, and we have just one, which is the Sunrise Boulevard Yellow Edition with the alternate cover and the alternate back. This is the 9. Did I show you the back? This is the 1. This is the blue. This is the back of the original blue, you know. So here's 2 so far. I have the Tangerine Target 1 back here somewhere. And as I mentioned, it comes with confetti. It's blue, 1989 blue. I'm gonna save this. So assuming that anything from UMG and from Ferndale is Taylor Swift, this must be the remaining variants of 1989 Taylor's version. Yep, here we go. I wonder, okay, so this is the remaining 1989 Taylor's version. Oh, it's just one, so there must be another box. This is the Rose Garden Pink Edition, alternate cover, with the alternate back. This is another 9, so I have 199 so far. I need another 8. Of course, it comes with more confetti. So that's one variant of 1989. We have one more to go. Let's see if it has to be this one. Assuming this is 1989 Taylor's version. This might be the teal one. I guess I'll give you the full unboxing experience with the confetti. Lovely. This one has a lot of confetti. This is the aquamarine green. Look at the alternate cover. And this is the lovely 8. So I officially have all 4 variants of 1989. How incredible. This is the blue, this is the yellow, this is the pink, and this is the green. And for reference to the back, this is the 1, this is the 9, this is 8, and this is the 9, 1989. Now that we are out of the Taylor Swift variants and Olivia Rodrigo variants, I have no clue what I am about to open. I actually don't remember. So this is from Graffiti Record Store. I am a big fan of their tape. It is just such good like packaging. All right, let's see. Moment of truth. What? When did I order this? This is Malibu Nights by LANY, and I believe it's on a clear pressing. Let me know if you want to see it opened. Wow, this is one of my ISOs. They also gave me a sticker, which is really cool. This says Olivia Rodrigo store, so I think I might have been missing a variant. So this must be one of the variants, but again, because they don't have any hype stickers and because the cover and the back are the same, I won't know until I open them. So I guess I'll have to do a video opening them. Next is a package from Vertigo Vinyl. If I remember correctly, I do remember this one. It should be the Call Me By Your Name soundtrack. Oh, it looks so nice. Look at that, like, what in the world? It has its own sleeve. Look at the hype sticker. Do you see that? And it's like thick. It's thickums. This is the back. Timothy Chalamet. Wow. This is impressive. I'm excited to listen to this. This is from the Lana Del Rey store. Huh. I don't remember. I think it's Chemtrails. Oh gosh. Alrighty. Moment of truth, because I don't remember. Yeah, so Chemtrails is on the top. What else did I order though? When did it? So this is Chemtrails Over the Country Club. I have the Target version of this, but I really like the standard cover art, so this is why I got it, and I believe this is pressed on a silver, so another reason why I got it. Oh, look at that. So I'm trying to do my Lana Del Rey variant collection, but also like just have every single album on a color, a different color. So this, I believe, Lust for Life, is on a Coke, on a clear Coke pressing. I don't know. This is so incredible. This is like Christmas, Jesus Christ. So this is what I have from Lana Del Rey. So based off of the packaging, I could tell this is from Facebook Market. And if I remember the name correctly, this must be the Lana Del Rey Born to Die picture disc thing. I'll show you right now. This is what I got. This was like included as part of any purchase over a certain price, but how cool. And we have, this is what I'm excited about. It's a package within a package. True. Oh my gosh. I'm very excited for this. Look at that. Wow. I don't remember the name of this, so I'll have to look it up. I'll put it on the screen. But I remember this is really limited and it's a picture disc. Look at that. Based on the packaging, this is also from Facebook Market. I'm gonna guess this is, I don't know. Oh, this is not, okay, period to the bubble wrap, I love that. Oh, they put my name on it and everything. This is Niall's The Show. This is the Spotify web exclusive. So I'm excited. I am variant collecting The Show by Niall Horan. And I believe, if all goes well, when I open all of this, it'll be complete. So this is the front. Look at that. I love that hype sticker. This is the back. Oh, how cool. This one says it's from Ferndale, Michigan. I don't know what it is though, because it just says Interscope Records. I believe I purchased something off of Interscope Records. This might be all my singles that I purchased from Singles Day, actually. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think it is. It is. There's a lot in here, so give me a moment. We have a lot of singles. This is from the Singles Day by Interscope Records. So first we have Rob Grant, Lost at Sea, featuring Lana Del Rey. We have another Rob Grant single, Hollywood Bowl, featuring Lana Del Rey. Very nice. We have two of Bad Idea, Right? The funny story about this is that I purchased one for myself and one for my friend, and then I told my friend, like, hey, don't buy this. I bought it for you. And then she said, oh my god, I bought you one. So now I have an extra one. Lovely. And then, which is really cool, oh my gosh, this Bloody Mary Lady Gaga single. Look at that. This one's bigger though. Look at the little monster hands. I am a Lady Gaga kid. I grew up with her. So this is so cool to collect it. It does come packaged in this, you know, clear PVC. It's not good. It's already has a split on the side, which sucks. But I will figure out how to store this in a safe way. All right, we have a big box here. It says it's from Urban Outfitters. If I have it correct, this is the Show by Niall on the indie exclusive clear pressing. So let me show it off to you. Yep. Wow. Niall, The Show, and all the variants have been amazing. Notice how every single one has an alternative cover and an alternative back, and it's pressed on a different one, and it has a different hype sticker for each one. So this one says it's like the cloudy, the milky cloudy one. Frosted glass vinyl. This is incredible. I think this officially completes my variant collection, and I'll have to make a video on it. On to the next, also based on the way that this is packaged. This is from Facebook Market. I just don't remember what it is. I think this might be some One Direction. Oh. So we have Midnight Memories by One Direction, 7-inch. And it has Rock Me, I didn't know that. Wow. We have Late Night Talking by Harry Styles. We have Faith in the Future by Louis Tomlinson in orange. This is for my friend. She's variant collecting this, so she's gonna be really excited. In this package, this is all we got. So this is from the Niall Horan store. I guess I am missing one of the variants. I keep saying I'm done with them, but they keep coming, so. This one, my golly. This is my favorite cover, as well as my favorite back. This is the exclusive Meltdown vinyl, and it includes a handwritten letter print, and it's like this swirl, this golden swirl. This should complete my collection. I have the collector's box, and the spine of all of them is like differently placed, and when you stack all of them together, it spells out The Show, which is another reason why these variants have been so incredible. I am extremely like pleased with Niall, I guess. This says Wallflower Merchandise, but it says LANY at the bottom. So here's the thing with LANY. With their new album, I got the alternative cover, and it was supposed to be signed, but I guess they went on tour, and so they said we couldn't get it to you, but we sent you the regular cover, and we're gonna send you the signed cover before the end of the year, and I lost track of that, so this could either be one or the other. I guess we'll find out. Alrighty. Struggle bus here. It has like glue. I don't know. Oh gosh, why would they do that? So I opened it. It was difficult to open. But it says, this box set comes with a signed copy of the album, but due to production delays, they did not make it to Paul and Jake in time to sign before the Europe tour. We wanted to get you your merch and vinyl ASAP, so a hand-signed copy of the vinyl jacket will follow when it's ready in the coming weeks. It will arrive before the end of the year. It's a nice little letter to get from them. I think I got 2 alternative covers then, so I really hope so. I tend to like original album artwork, and I was hoping that they would send me just the regular art, a regular artwork one, and then the signed version of this. But I guess I got 2 of this, which I'm not mad about. And it seems like I'm just gonna get the sleeve jacket. So. All right, I'm on my final 3. Oh, this is from Urban Outfitters. I had no clue. This is the Lady Gaga GUY. From their Singles Day that they released. I refreshed the page for this every single day for like 30 times a day until it became available, because I kept noticing it was available, and then randomly at 5 in the morning, because that's the time I wake up, it became available, and then here we go. So this is really thin, so I'm gonna assume it's the LANY sleeve. Oh, it's definitely signed. They left me, they gave me, I mean, Paul's signature, very simple, but I got a smiley face. It is legit signed. It's like signed with a smiley face, imagine. Last but not least, in theory, this is the last one. I'll go through it and check right now, but I think this is, this has to be Guts. No, this has to be Vampire by Olivia Rodrigo. She used a lot of tape. Okay, let's do it. Look at that. Shout out for the bubble wrap, I appreciate it. It's not open. I thought it was open. This is sealed. And it's like on an, I think it's like on a red or an orange color, so that'll be nice to open up. Wow, look at my room right now. Yeah, what in the world? What is wrong? I have a problem. I know I have a problem, so don't even bother telling me, because I'm officially done. I officially have opened every single package I had left. This is a lot. Long gone are the days where I would order a vinyl, get it, and then play it immediately to make sure it was perfect. Now I get what I get and I don't throw a fit, I guess. But I promise to myself that I will never let it get this bad ever again. So I guess this isn't a particular haul, but it is a end of year vinyl record unboxing. So this is it. This is all of them. Crazy, this looks crazy. I can't believe. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and clean my room from all these packages and get all of my vinyl records into their sleeves and itemize them on Discogs. But thank you so much for joining me on this really crazy journey of opening all these vinyl records that I ordered throughout the year of 2023 that I just happened to never open. Hopefully I never make this type of video again. If you have any questions about any of the vinyl that I purchased, or if you want to see any vinyl showcased on my channel, leave me a comment. But until then, until next time.